Seniors, are you ready for some amazing news that could change your retirement for the better? If you're collecting CPP pension payments, you may be in for a major cash boost starting this year that you won't want to miss out on. Hey everyone, Michael here from the Seniors Money YouTube channel. For those of you who are new around here, I'm dedicated to helping retirees and soon-to-be retirees make the most of their money through CPP, OAS, RSPs, and other income sources. On this channel, I break down complex financial topics into simple, easy-to-understand advice. I'm here to be your guide for navigating government benefits, cutting unnecessary costs, investing wisely, and ultimately retiring with more cash in your pocket. So whether you're already a Seniors Money subscriber or brand new to the channel, get ready because I've got an exciting update to share about major changes coming to the Canada Pension Plan that could mean thousands of extra dollars landing in your bank account over the next year. As I'm sure many of you have heard by now, the Canadian government recently announced plans to significantly increase the maximum annual CPP pension payments, starting in 2024. This is huge news for retirees, and means that instead of the current maximum of around $15,000 per year, some seniors could start receiving up to $17,000 annually from CPP alone going forward. Now before we get too excited, it's important to understand exactly who will qualify for this full $2,000 raise, and who may see a smaller increase or none at all. The key factors are your total number of years contributing to CPP through employment, the amount you were paying into CPP during your working years based on your income levels. Essentially, the more years you paid CPP premiums at higher income levels, the bigger the increase you'll likely see up to that $2,000 per year maximum. So when can you actually expect to start receiving these larger CPP payments if you're eligible? Well, after weeks of waiting for official details, the Canada Revenue Agency has finally clarified the delivery schedule. For seniors who were already receiving CPP as of December 2023, your first increased payment with the new higher amount will be deposited on January 28, 2024. However, this first payment will only include a partial top-up amount based on the number of days in January. Your full monthly payment at the new higher rate will then kick in starting with your February 28, 2024 deposit and continue going forward each month after that. Now for those of you who started receiving CPP for the first time in January 2024 or later, your payments will automatically include the increased rates right from the very start with no delay. It's also important to note that like regular CPP payments, this extra money is secured income for life that will continue being paid out every month during your retirement with the same cost of living adjustments applied annually. While CPP is getting the bulk of the media attention right now, there are rumors that the old age security pension could potentially see an increase as well, though likely not quite as substantial. From what I'm hearing from sources, we may be looking at a maximum OAS increase of around $300 $500 per year, which when combined with the CPP boost, means some lower-income retirees could pocket an extra $2,500 annually from these two benefits alone. Of course, nothing is confirmed yet in regards to OAS changes, but I'll absolutely do a full video breaking down anything substantial as soon as those details are announced. Steps to take now. So with the new CPP amounts just months away, what steps should you be taking right now to prepare? First, I'd recommend digging up your latest CPP statement from Service Canada that breaks down how much you were paying in over your career and what percentage of the maximum you're currently receiving. This statement will give you a pretty accurate estimate of where your new increased payment will land once the changes take effect in early 2024. Next, you'll want to adjust your retirement budget and cash flow plan accordingly to account for this potential income boost. An extra $2,000 per year is nothing to sneeze at, so make sure you're putting it to good use, whether paying off debt, increasing investable assets, or simply giving yourself a little more financial breathing room. Keep in mind as well that married couples where both partners paid substantially into CPP could together be looking at up to $4,000 in combined annual increases. So don't just make plans based on your individual payment. At the end of the day, this CPP increase represents one of the biggest boosts to retiree income we've seen from the Canadian government in a very long time. For many of you, it will make a legitimately meaningful impact on your lifestyle and daily expenses during your senior years, which is why I'm so passionate about covering this announcement in detail. I truly believe the wealthier we can make retirement for average, hardworking Canadians who paid into the system for decades, the better. An extra $2,000 per year may not seem like a fortune, but for millions of seniors on relatively fixed incomes, it will make a very tangible difference in their quality of living. So I'll continue monitoring for the latest CPP increase updates, And you can bet I'll be sharing analysis, tips, and guidance here on the Seniors Money channel to ensure you're taking full advantage once those bigger payments start rolling in next year. More money videos to come. So if you aren't already subscribed to the channel, now is definitely the time to hit that button and turn on notifications. That way you'll get alerted as soon as I release these new retirement finance videos that I'm putting a ton of work into. I'm aiming to make the Seniors Money channel a go-to hub filled with genuinely valuable, easy-to-understand content to help you make smarter money moves throughout your golden years. And of course, I rely heavily on you, the audience, to keep suggesting new video ideas and leaving feedback in the comments section to help shape the direction of future episodes. This is very much a two-way street. Before I wrap up for today, let's take a look at one more important item regarding the new CPP increase that you may want to add to your 2024 to-do list. With what could potentially be thousands of extra dollars hitting your bank account next year between CPP and possibly OAS, it's a great idea to review your overall retirement financial plan with a tax professional or trusted financial advisor. An influx of new income often comes with added tax implications and potential changes to your investment or drawdown strategies that are best navigated with some experienced guidance. So as we move through the end of 2023, consider setting up an appointment for early 2024 to go over your updated income figures and make any necessary adjustments to keep more of your hard-earned money working for you. Small tweaks and bit of tax planning can go a long way, especially when you're dealing with an extra $2,000 or more flowing in annually. Well, there you have it, folks. We covered all the key details so far on the significant new CPP payment increases headed your way in the coming months. To quickly recap, annual maximum CPP payouts could rise by up to $2,000 per year. First increased payments for existing recipients start January 28, 2024. New CPP recipients from January 2024 onward get full increased amounts right away. OAS increase also a possibility, but not yet confirmed. Review CPP statements, adjust budgets, and consult professionals to maximize the impact. Whether this boost represents a minor income bump or big raise for you personally, it's absolutely worth taking full advantage of through smart planning and investing. So keep watching the Seniors Money channel as I'll continue providing updates on any further CPP and OAS changes announced in the lead up to 2024. I'm here to help ensure you're getting every last dollar of income you've earned and deserve in retirement. That's all I got for you today, but I'll be back again soon with even more money-making tips for Canadian seniors and pre-retirees just like yourself.